So absolute gem arrived yesterday. Audi RS5 Coupe. Finished in Panther Black, which is a special order colour. It's not a standard black colour. £9,200 worth of options on this car, including the 20-inch rotor wheels, tech pack, convenience pack. It's even got the Audi sports exhaust, so you get all of the extra noise and bits and pieces which you can hear in a second without having to worry about cats and D-rares and MOT and everything else. Car itself, it's got full history, specialist history for the last few services, but it's had all the important bits and pieces done to do with the QUATTRO system and DSG. Premium oils used all the time. You even get an RS number plate for free as well. That's staying on the car. In terms of actual specification itself, as I said, it's got £9,200 worth of options. You've got convenience pack, tech pack 1, Bang & Olufsen sound pack, memory seats, all of the fantastic bits and pieces. And as I mentioned, the Audi performance exhaust, so you get the lovely, fantastic Audi sound from what is probably one of the best engines Audi have ever made. This car's not going to be around long. We'll be on the website today. Any inquiries or anything, just hit us up on there. Thank you.